Exploring the site today, modern visitors enter Djoser's funerary complex in the southeastern corner, where part of the original limestone wall has been rebuilt. Access is granted via a colonnaded corridor, supported by 40 pillars carved to resemble bundles of palm and papyrus. This grand entryway leads into the Great South Court via one of the original 14 doorways built to allow the pharaoh's spirit to come and go at will. The Great South Court is a vast open space on the south side of the pyramid. In the middle, two markers denote the route of the ritual race that the pharaoh would have completed as part of Heb-Sed festivities during his lifetime. The purpose of the festival was to prove the king's continued vitality and fitness to rule. The Heb-Sed is also immortalized in the Heb-Sed Court on the eastern side of the pyramid, where wall reliefs and paintings provide the foundation for much of what we know about these ritualistic jubilee celebrations. Other structures of particular interest within the complex include the South Tomb, a funerary chapel decorated with blue faience tiles and reliefs depicting scenes from the pharaoh's life, and the houses of the South and North Court. The latter are thought to have served as the primary shrines of Upper and Lower Egypt and would have acted as a symbol of the country's unity. Look out for one of the world's earliest known examples of tourist graffiti on the walls of the House of the South Court, left by a treasury scribe in 1232 BC. Directly in front of the pyramid lies the serdab, where a lifelike statue of Djoser is enclosed in a wooden box. You can catch a glimpse of the pharaoh lying there through holes drilled into the box wall, although the statue is a replica of the original which is now on display at the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. Other treasures from the Pyramid of Djoser and the wider Saqqara necropolis can be seen on site at the Imhotep Museum. Highlights include blue faience tiles from inside Djoser's pyramid, the wooden coffin of Imhotep himself, and the mummy of Merenari dating back to 2292 BC. This is the oldest complete royal mummy in existence.